Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing another Goodie box review. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're doing another Daily Goodie box. For those of you who are not familiar with Daily Goodie box, definitely go check out their Facebook and or check out their website. Basically, Daily Goodie box is a free box you guys can check out. You get free full-size samples, deluxe size samples, and these are from companies that want to actually hear from you and your thoughts on their products. So definitely check them out. There's easy ways to get a box for yourself. But we're checking out the October box to see if it's actually worth signing up for or not. So every month your box comes like this. Well, not every month. When you get a box, it comes like this. And they send me this. I can share with you what came in this box for this month. But yeah, definitely sign up. It's a free account that you can create, but definitely it seems to be easier to follow them on Facebook also once you've created your account, so you can get a free box. Now each box comes with this postcard that says, "You've got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the samples and full-size products included inside." And there you go. And then it says, "Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box," because that's the purpose of it. So you can give your feedback to it. So this is what it looks like inside. It has tissue paper, and then everything in the box is in there. So we're gonna start off with whatever's on top here. So the first thing I have here is from Crunchsters. This is Smoky Balsamic. This is gluten-free. So this is like a nut mix that's here. So that's what that is. These are really good. And then they have from Patter Bar, this is coconut and cashew clean energy. So that is cool. We love the bars and the nuts that they send us. They're really good. The next thing we have here is this is Ice Chips Candy. So these are peppermint. And then this here, it's super random, the things that you get. This is from Spatty. This is a cosmetic brush. So what is this? Get to the bottom of it. This is so that you can get to the bottom of your product. So that is definitely unique, definitely for the ladies. How many products have you guys had that you had to toss because you couldn't reach the bottom? So this seems to be the product for us. There we go. All right, so the next thing we have here, this is lavender and chamomile. This is Adore Therapy Room Boost. So this is full size, obviously. And then super fancy. Look at the packaging of it. That is so cool. Really nice. And then the room spray is here. So that is what that looks like. And then you can spray it. There we go. So it gives your room a fresh scent, and it does smell good, so that's super good. So I definitely love the packaging of this one. So definitely unique. I like that. So definitely check those out. And then we have two more things here. So we have Electrolyte. So this is really good. These are useful. I've gotten electrolytes from Daily Goodie box before, and we definitely need them once the flu season hits. And then last but not least, we have heat holders. These are warm socks. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I totally always I'm that person with the cold feet regardless of what's happening. We got these last year. I think it was in gray. My husband took them. So now I get to keep these because obviously he's not going to take pink ones. So there we go. All right, so let's do a recap and see what all came in this box. So we have, of course, we have the socks. You get electrolytes. You have the makeup scooper or spatty. We have peppermint. We have our room spray, which this was such unique packaging. We have some snacks, and we have a granola bar. So this was worth it. Definitely can't wait to give them feedback, but definitely let me know in the comment section below if you guys have signed up for it, if you've ever gotten a box. Definitely let me know, because or if you've ever tried any of these products, so I can definitely get your perspective from any of these products that I'm going to be trying this month. So definitely let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below. Of course, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And all of this will be listed on my blog, so you guys can definitely take a look at these further if you're curious on any of them. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.